Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now this is the busiest airport in Jamaica, where you can see a plane taking off, and within probably a minute you're going to see another one landing. That's just how busy this airport is. But today we're actually giving you an update on the runway extension project. Now, this is the runway that they're working on. Okay, here you can see the other plane landing. Okay, the runway is being extended at this airport. Although the Sangster International Airport is the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica, it didn't have the longest runway. The longest runway at 2,800 meters is at the Norman Manley International Airport. So because this airport is just getting busier and busier, it was decided to extend the runway. So this runway, it's actually built. It's going to be opened in the summer of this year. Probably, well, they said summer. They don't have an exact date yet, but that's the runway there. And it's actually finished. They're just doing the finishing touches. It has probably another layer of asphalt to go on it, and then the painting or the white lines on it basically. But it's on schedule to finish during the summer this year, summer 2023, and it's going to be 3,000 meters when finished. (3,060 to be exact. So it will be the longest runway in Jamaica when it's opened. That road we're looking at now is the White House Road, and it runs right parallel basically to the airport. So you get a nice view of the planes coming in or landing and taking off. Now here's another plane taking off. This is definitely the busiest airport in Jamaica. It's actually the second busiest airport in the Caribbean. And it's the busiest airport in the English-speaking Caribbean. The busiest airport is in Santo Domingo, which is a Spanish-speaking country. So a lot of expansion has been going on at the airport. This is just the runway, but the terminals are also being upgraded. And this project is done by Landgen, not China Harbour Engineering Company. The runway is probably the only major road project in Jamaica that China Harbour Engineering Company has not done. In recent times, they built all the highways in Jamaica. But I guess the company that did it is actually out of Ireland, and they build airports all over the world. I'm sorry, they build runways. Alright, so we're going to head back out to the main road now, so you can see that's the airport runway on the right. We actually have videos up on touring the actual runway, walking on the runway, so you can check it out. So remember we give you updates every 2 weeks on all the major projects going on in Jamaica. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And you can also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this airport project, and if you think it will finish on time. And also, if you want us to make a video, just leave a comment in the section below. we'll be happy to do it. Alright, so as we drive out now, this is on the right is where the runway ends. And you're going to see a lot of work, or more like the clearing of the space down here, but they're not building a hotel or anything. They're just clearing the land. I don't know if it's for easier access to the runway when it's opened, but no construction will be done out here. It's just the clearing of the land. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. We're going to head back out onto the highway and give you a view of the airport from the main road. So enjoy the rest of the video guys. Have a good day.